Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make banana bread quickly. First, let's talk about bananas. For the best flavor and moisture, you need very ripe bananas. If yours aren't quite ready, you can ripen them fast. Place them on a baking sheet in an oven at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes, or microwave them whole for 30 seconds to 1 minute until soft. This simple trick ensures delicious results every time. Now that your bananas are perfectly ripe, it's time to combine the wet ingredients. Start by mashing 3 to 4 bananas until smooth. In a separate bowl, whisk together 1/2 cup of melted butter, 2 large eggs, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Gently fold the mashed bananas into this mixture. Remember, we're aiming for just combined, not overmixed, to keep our banana bread wonderfully moist and tender. Next, let's prepare our dry ingredients. In a separate bowl, combine 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and a pinch of salt. Gradually add this dry mixture to your wet ingredients. It's crucial to mix until just combined. Overmixing develops gluten, which can make your banana bread tough. A few lumps are perfectly fine and will bake out beautifully, ensuring a tender crumb. Finally, it's time to bake your delicious banana bread. Pour the batter into a greased 9 by 5 inch loaf pan. Bake in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 50 to 60 minutes. You'll know it's done when a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Let it cool in the pan for 10 minutes, then transfer to a wire rack to cool completely before slicing and enjoying your quick, homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.